The AG600M, codenamed Kunlong, a China-made firefighting amphibious aircraft, has completed its 12 tons water draw and drop test in brand new firefighting paint. The AG600 family can take off and land on both ground and water, thus packing more potential for various missions. With long-range and long-haul capabilities, the AG600M can efficiently shuttle between the fire site and water source, each time carrying as much as 12 tons and dropping water over an area of 4,000 square meters. The AG600 is designed to operate in complex weather and environment conditions. In rescue missions, it can conduct low-altitude water surface search and anchor for water and maritime rescue missions. The aircraft is capable of rescuing up to 50 people on each mission. The AG600M was specially developed to serve firefighting missions, and 4 aircraft of the type have been put into production.